Are you tired of lead slipping through the cracks because you are not alerted instantly when they come in? By the end of this short video, you will have a super simple automation setup that immediately notify your entire sales team on a Telegram the moment a new lead is added to your Google Sheet. No more missed opportunities. Today, we are using AutoAPI, the easiest way to build these essential connections. Automation platform where you can build multiple automated workflows use cases so it can be easily usable to boost your businesses. Where if you notice here you can find multiple templates, a list of applications, plus here the pricing plan where it provides starter, essential and professional. Here how we will do it: first we will connect your Google Sheet, second we will tell the Telegram exactly what to do, and finally we will test it to make sure it's working perfectly. Okay, let's dive into it. First, just tap on the workflow, but if you don't have any account, don't worry. Just create your account, log in yourself, and then you can find the workflow section. What you have to do, you have to just tap the workflow section, and here you can find a automation dashboard where you can create your first automation workflow. If you notice, there is a multiple section available where it is here you can find the automation workflow names. You can you can structure them on the basis of their, you can filter them on the basis of their status, task executed, last date modifier, and on the end and on the basis of their action also. Okay, now we will start by adding Google Sheet as our trigger application. This means our automation will be start whenever something new happen in your sheet. Okay, we will start by adding Google Sheet as our trigger application. This means our automation will start whenever something new happens in your Google Sheet. It will be going to hit. Just tap the add workflow and give it the name of your workflow. Right now I'm going to give it now I'm right now I'm going to name it as new lead added to our Telegram alert. Just save this, and here you can find there is a window appear where you can find a list of trigger application. Don't worry, we are going to select our first trigger application, which is Google Sheet. Just select the trigger application, and this is our trigger which is a new row added or updated. Just add this as a first application. Here you can find we successfully add our first application into our AutoAPI canvas. Now we have to make sure it is in the live mode. So first we have to set up our webhook URL. What you have to do, you have to just copy this webhook URL and go to your Google Sheet. So now you can see I already developed one Google Sheet which name is AutoAPI and the sheet name is lead data. Now you have Now what you have to do, you just have to open the extension, search for the AutoAPI webhook and then install it. After giving all the permissions, you can paste your webhook URL there also. After pasting the webhook URL, you have to just capture all the data. Don't worry, I'll show you how we are going to do it. Just go to the extension, click on the add-ons and search for the add-ons and search for the AutoAPI. AutoAPI webhook. Here you can find the AutoAPI webhook. Just simply tap on the installations where it will be going to ask all the permission. Just give the access, select the continue, and proceed for giving all this data, and proceed by selecting all the data and continue it. Now just tap the next and done. Okay, so our AutoAPI webhook is successfully installed. Just close this one and now open the extension. Here you can find the AutoAPI webhook is appeared. Just click the refresh and now you can find the setup workflow. Just open it. Okay, now what we have to do, we just have to paste our ebook URL, and in this column whenever the data will be filled and any of the cell chain in this column, the webhook is going to be hit. Just simply select the sheet name, which is sheet data, select the column name, which is H, and the name of the column is notes, and paste your webhook URL. Before that, just select any of the cell changes. Select any of the cell changes. Just select any of the cell changes and save it. Now set up the trigger. So here you can find we successfully add the webhook URL into our trigger application. So here you can find we successfully add our webhook URL into our Google Sheet. Now what we have to do, we just have to go to your AutoAPI canvas. Simply click the start capturing the sample data, and here you have to just put on the data, where I give it the name 001. Name is Shushank, and then email ID is and the email ID is yes. Now the source source might be from anywhere. You can simply add the drop down itself, and you can write down here also. For now I'll just write down from the website. The lead will be came, and here I'll add the drop down. New drop down, and I'll name it assigned to Shushank or Swarali. And done it. Select the Shushank. Status is in process. And the notes will be going to be want to create automation. Okay, now yes, we successfully add our whole data. Now just go to your AutoAPI canvas and the check status. Here you can find our Google Sheets successfully capture all the data. Now, this is a crucial part because it tells Autopy when to pay attention to your lead. Now, we are going to add Telegram as our action application. This is where your alert will be sent. Tab on the plus icon and search for the Telegram. Here you can search for the send messages, and yes, tap the add-ons. Now here you can find there is two options, which is first for the use your existing connection, or second for the create a new connection. For the demonstration purpose, I'll just show you how we are going to create our Telegram bot. Now just click on the Telegram. Here it is going to demand for the API key. What you have to do, just go and search for the Telegram, log in yourself into the Telegram, and here just search for the bot father. Okay, open the bot father. Now what we have to do, we just have to create our API key. So here you can find, just have to tab new bot, and we have to name it as team alert bot. Now let's create the bot and just copy it again, paste here, and send. Okay, it says like it says like okay, it says it is already consumed. Let's create a new bot then with a new name, and then send. Just okay, so it successfully accept this name. What you have to do, you have to just okay, so it successfully add this name, and you can find your API key here itself. Just copy the API key and go to your Telegram and paste your APK here and save the connection. Now you can find it is going to demanding a chat ID. Now you will need to select your Telegram bot and the chat ID where you want to where you want the notification to go. This could be the group chat, or this could be the group chat for your sales team also. And here the best part, we are going to tell Telegram exactly what information we want to send. Simply drag and drop the relevant columns. Okay, and here it is going to demanding a chat ID. What we have to do, we just have to create a one new group where we have to add this Telegram bot into the group as our member. So I already created the group. and save it. So here you can find this Telegram alert. This is the group we are going to use. So here you can find this is the chat ID. This is chat ID we are going to use. Just copy it and paste here. But before adding the chat ID, make sure you just add the bot which will be created from here is going to be added in this group itself. So we are going to add this bot into our Telegram group by our phone with the help of our phone. Here you can find we successfully add our bot here itself. Now we are able to use this bot. Now we are going to add what message in this section itself. I already created the messages and just have to paste here. Okay, this is the message. Now you can find in the name section, I just want the name. So what we are going to do, we are just going to map the data by simply tabbing that plus icon and map data from our previous node, which is Google Sheet itself. And this is the data I want. Continue. So this is the way I'm going to map all my data. And submit the data. Now you can find this data is saved successfully. And here the best part, we are going to tell Telegram exactly what information to send. Simply drag and drop the relevant column from the Google Sheet into your messages. So you can include the lead, name, company, email ID, whatever you need to see at the glance. Now imagine getting this instantly right on your phone, no matter where you are. Okay. Now imagine getting this instantly right on your phone, no matter where you are. That's what we exactly building here. Now let's test it by simply tapping the test button and test this node. And here you can find it successfully sent our data. Now let's just check this into Telegram. Okay, so we just got the mail, we just got the messages here itself. Now I'm going to add a test lead to my Google Sheet right now, and there is it. A new lead notification just popped up in our Telegram chat. In our Telegram chat. Perfect. Let's create a new one, which is just wait for a second, and here you can find our next lead is here, which is Swarali, and the source name and the assigned to also. See how easy that was. We are not getting bogged down. Okay, see how easy that was. We are not getting bogged down in a complicated code or jargon. We are just connecting two powerful tools, your Google Sheet and the Telegram, to solve our real problems. Missing out on potential businesses, this is about working smarter, not harder, and getting those crucial leads your to your team fast. So, there you have it. Your instant lead alert system is now live. You have successfully automated a critical part of your lead generation. Hit the subscribe button for more easy to follow automation tutorials. And to get started with this exact automation right away, click the link in the description below where you can find the JSON format of this automation and you can use it. So go build it